Chirag Modi. Now today I have decided to release several videos based on the position of the 7th Lord into the different house, because my lots of clients has continuous queries about the marriage life and dignity of marriage life, when the marriage will take place, what is the dignity of marriage, how his partner will look like, and what type of support he or she is about to get from his or her partner. So for the benefit of everyone, now I am releasing a series of videos on the placement of 7th Lord into the different houses. So today we are going to discuss about the effect or impact of having 7th house Lord into the first house. So what will going to happen if the 7th Lord is placed into the first house in the house of ascendant? See, this would be multi-factorial. Okay, means we have to see the ascendant, we have to see the 7th Lord, and several different aspects also will be considered. Okay, but overall, in general, in basic, what will happen if 7th Lord is placed into the first house? Let us discuss now. Okay, see, the first house is the self and the 7th house is the house of others in our chart. Okay, so whenever we have 7th Lord placed into the first house, first of all, here I would like to say that native is going to marry with someone whom he knows since his childhood. It is applicable to both the genders. Okay, means you are knowing someone since your childhood. He or she may be well known to you. Maybe you both are playing together since your childhood, or maybe in your adolescent age. Both the partners' parents are knowing each other. That is also the possibility. Okay, maybe family, friends, daughter or son, you are going to get married. Okay, so this is one of the very nice position of the 7th Lord's placement into the first house, and because of that, the weightage of your spouse will be very high in your life. Okay, and they are more of friends type rather than the husband wife, a typical conservative family. They are not a typical conservative family, they are more of friendship type of relationship. Okay, and if there is no affliction at all, then we can say this is going to be one of the best combination for happy marriage life. Okay, and the partner of the person whose 7th Lord is placed in the first house is very mature, intelligent and stable by the mind. Okay, and person will provide or give very high importance and high regards to his or her partner, and they will try to understand each other nicely. Okay, and in that case, suppose if you have 7th Lord placement into the first house, then yeah, I would like to say that you are able to calculate pros and cons of everything in your life. This is not related to married life now, this is related to something specific about yourself. You are able to weigh the pros and cons. And why I am telling so? Because 7th house signifies others in your life, and as the others Lord is placed into the first house, you are effectively able to handle others in your life. You are into the good relationship, you are able to dignify all the relationship in your life, you are having very good partnership into the business and all ventures. Okay, and will have very good friends, family and relatives throughout the life. Okay, and he will be always welcoming and ushering the guest and relatives in his life. Okay, and this person will be liked by everyone. Okay, irrespective of gender, community, caste, whatever it is. Okay, but this person will be liked and welcomed by everyone in the life. Okay, so this is about good thing. I am talking about good. We can say nice part of the 7th Lord's placement into the first house. Now what will happen if the 7th Lord is placed in the first house is getting afflicted? What will happen if the 7th Lord is into the first house and Rahu is also there, Ketu is also there, Sun is also there, Mars is also there, or may not be there, but yeah, they are giving their aspect into the first house on the 7th Lord. What will happen? Yeah, so as you know, and as I have already discussed on my Quora blogs several times, the 7th house signifies the traveling. So now when the seventh lord is placed into the first house and the first house is getting the aspect from the malefic planet, this person will keep on traveling aimlessly here and there, here and there, here and there. They are always traveling. Okay, they don't know why they are traveling. Okay, but yeah, they are traveling. That is one thing, and they have to travel under very odd circumstances. Means the time when their family needs them the most, they are compelled to travel. This happens several times in their life. Okay, and they will have long distance journeys also possible abroad. They will travel abroad, and the traveling would be very hectic in their life, and their personal life will get affected because of that. Their health will sacrifice because of that, and their marriage life also will get detrimental effect because of this excessive travel. Okay, now suppose seventh lord is also in the first house, which is afflicted, and Venus is also afflicted, then what will happen? This is a unique combination here I would like to share with all of you. The person would be very sensual. Okay, he would have more of lust into the life and always trying to seek the clandestine relationship, clandestine per se, secretive relationship with the opposite gender. So this is going to be not a good combination. And why the person is always trying to seek the opposite relationship? Why? Because the seventh house and Venus both are not able to make him satisfied and contented by the others in the life, especially opposite gender. So they are always dissatisfied. They are always trying to get more satisfaction. They always change their partners, not officially, but yeah, they know that is a fact. There are some problems in their thought process, so they will not publicly separate from their spouse, but yeah, in the private front they are always seeking other partners. They tries to establish the intimate relationship with different peoples of the opposite gender throughout life, but everywhere the result will be the same. They are not satisfied. Okay, this will happen. And yeah, this person's appetite for sexual intercourse is insatiable. They are under the incessant thirst for lust. Okay, second thing, they are always imagining the opposite gender on their bed. Whomsoever they are meeting, they imagine that on the bed. Okay, the character of this person will become questionable. Okay, and if Rahu has any connection, then this will get exposed also. If Rahu is not having connection, then fine, it will keep on going very smoothly. Maybe it will be known by his spouse or her spouse, but everything will be under control. But if Rahu is also there connected, there's a problem. Huge problem. He will get exposed to the society and he would be defamed for all his bad conduct related to opposite gender. Okay, and if there is a connection of the Ketu here, very important message, if there is a connection of the Ketu over here, it would be very detrimental effect, because Ketu has a dissociating ability, dissociating power. Okay, so the person will not be able to enjoy his intimate life at all, neither with his or her partner nor with others. So many clients, when see, I have several blogs on my Quora platform. On Quora you just search Astrology by Astrovichar, Astrology by Astrovichar Chirag Modi. On the Quora you just seek out, there are ample of blogs. I have made ample of content on Quora since last several years, and I have also posted the series over there. Okay, and several my client asked me about the examples of having 7th lord into the first house, some renamed or some famous persons, so that they can relate. So here I would like to share one by one the example. First example is Indian cricketer Virender Sehwag. Virender Sehwag is a Leo ascendant, and his Saturn is a lord of 7th house placed into the first house. And you would be surprised to know that he married to the Aarti Halawat, who is already known to him since years together. and this lady is the daughter of Sehwag's relative. Okay, so that is one example. Second example is former Pakistan skipper in the cricket, that is Shahid Afridi. Shahid Afridi is the Aries ascendant and 7th Lord Venus is placed in the first house, and he married to his maternal uncle's daughter. Okay, and one more example is Bangladesh cricketer Mosaddek Hossain, whose Lagna sign is Sagittarius, and 7th Lord is Mercury placed into the first house, and this Bangladesh cricketer Mosaddek Hossain tied the knot with the cousin Sharmin Samira. Okay, so these are the examples. If you will try, you will find out ample of example in your nearby, in your surrounding, in your fan circles. So yeah, keep on studying, keep on astrology, very fantastic subject. And so tomorrow I will release another video about the placement of 7th Lord into the 2nd house, one of the most interesting subject. Okay, so thank you very much. Please share my videos. Please subscribe to my channel Astrology, Astrovichar by Chirag Modi. Please subscribe and you will get update of all my videos. I have very long experience into the astrology, so since long and since so many years I was thinking of putting my videos online, but yeah, somehow, some way I was restraining myself to go. So this is my second video on my channel. Okay, so kindly motivate us, motivate me, so that I can put a lot of more videos, lot of more stuffs about the astrology. Astrology is not that complicated. It's very simple. It's very simple. Just you have to understand the essence of every planet and different houses. I will guide you to all my videos in the forthcoming time to come. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, please like and share my videos to all your friends and family members. Good night.